Welcome to the series of database management system. Today we will see SQL Select Query. The basic structure of SQL Select Query is select from and where clause. See this example here. We have a select keyword with the number of columns which we want to select. Then from here it is the table name, and then we will be having a condition. So these are the basic part of SQL Select Query. Select is a keyword. It has to be written first. Then we will select what we want to select. If you want all the field of a table, you will be selecting star to specify that we want to select all the field which is present in the table. And if we want a certain column to be selected, at that time we will be using a particular column name separated by a comma. You can specify n number of column which is present inside the table. And then from keyword will specify from which table you want to select the particular column. Again here we can specify n number of tables. Then after that we will be using where keyword. We know that whenever we want to implement or we want to filter out the record, we will be using where keyword. It is used to specify the certain conditions, and after where we will be writing a condition, the condition based on which we want to select the records. So these are three basic parts of a select. So select is the keyword. Then after that we will be using from which is specify the relation, and then where which is specify the conditions. Now whenever we are using a select, so a select command, the basic form of select command is select star from table name. Select star from table name is like what it will do, it will display all the records which is present inside the table. So what you can do, you can write select, then attribute name, then from. Here we'll write a relation, as we know that relation is nothing but the another name for table, and then where, and then we will specify the condition which we want to enforce with a select. See here I have one table which is a product table. From a product table I want to I want a category of a gadgets, because here we have a multiple categories of product, but what I want only the category of product where the category is equals to gadgets. So how we can write it, we can write select star from product. Star means here I want every all the fields which is there in the table product. Select star from product where category is equals to gadgets. What this category is equal to gadgets is, it is a condition. Based on this particular condition we want to select a particular records. So these are the resultant record. Select query is used to select the specific value based on the condition from a table, and it will display the only resultant record of our interest. Now we will see the select query by using the actual interface. We'll create one table, that is the student table, for understanding this particular example where we are using the select query. So we'll create a student table. Let's create table student. I think we have created the student in last lecture, so we'll just select star from student. We'll see whether we have any values. No, we are not having any value. So what we will do, we'll insert some values. So this, see here, I have a table, but this table does not have any value. So that's why it is showing no row selected. This is the simplest flavor of select command, where you can write select star from student, and here star is what? Star means every field which is present inside the table. Now we will see, we'll insert some values and we'll try to run the different kind of select command. So I'll be using insert table, insert command for inserting some values. So I will be able to run the select query. Insert into student values, open bracket, value number 1 is 1, name is, let's write Sana, gender is female, then age, let's take 15, then mobile number, we'll put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then we'll write next, that is class, we'll write FY BBA CA. After completing this, we'll insert some more values. So this time I'll putting 2. I will writing here another name, that is Zen. I'll write gender as male. We'll keep the age as it is. We'll change the mobile number, and we'll write the class as SY. Let's insert this. We'll insert one more value, 3. We'll write Ayan. We'll keep all the things as it is. We'll only change the mobile number, and this time we will be writing class as TY. Now I have value, how many values? I have 3 values. Now if I want to see the whole table, I'll be writing select star from table name, that is the student. So see here, what the select command is used here. The select command here is used for showing all the records which is present in the table. Now there may be a certain condition where you don't want all the values, but you want only the values based on certain criteria. Like for example, you want only the value where the gender is male or gender is female. So how we can, because it is a condition, we need to enforce, or we need to use the where clause with it. So let's run that also. We'll write select star from where. I'll be writing gender. Gender is what? It is a column name, and value, I want a male. Okay, whenever we are writing the condition, remember that the value which we specified with the condition, it is always case sensitive. Like in a male which we have inserted, the M is capital. So the M capital letter and small letter will be considered two different separately. Now if I press enter, see here, in the table total I have 3 records, but when I write select star from student where gender is male, I am getting only 2 values. So how it is getting processed? It is giving me only the value where the gender is male, and we have the 2 records, roll number 2 and roll number 3. So here it is a case. Like if you want some more criteria to be implemented on this, what you can do, you can write and or something like that. Like for example, let's take this, and we'll put here one more condition, that is and keyword is used to include certain conditions. If you want more conditions to be satisfied, you can use and keyword. So again, because they are having the age as 15 only, so it is giving us the same number of records as a value. So this is the way we can use select query with conditions. I hope this is clear to you. We'll see some more flavors of SQL Select in next lecture. Thank you.